It's a lovely day at the shop. Where are we here? Protec Hospitality, that's me. We're doing a truck. We decided to get into the mobile vending food business. And the way I can see this, we're doing pretty good. Look at that. I love it. These guys. Mr. Crack over here. What can you say? Josh. Lovely little machine here. Horses inside here. I love it. They're doing all sorts of things here with our truck. You can tell. I like it. Beautiful. Man, it's becoming area and area, hey? I love it. Look at that. So that's a floor waste. Unbelievable. Man.